everyone. In this video I will show you that how to migrate a WordPress website to your local host. I will show you that I have a website which is this php.microcodes.in. So this is my subdomain of my microcodes.in website where I have upload a WordPress site which is belongs to PHP tutorial. Okay, so in this video I will show you that I will download all the data of this WordPress site, and after that I will run this same project into my local host, means on the local jam server. And by using the same technique you can follow the steps for any type of website WordPress migration. Okay, so let's see how to do this. So first of all, if I go to my overview tab, okay, so this is our hosting H panel. So if I click on my php.microcodes.in, so this is my database name. Okay, so if I click here, so it will open the php myadmin. So first of all you need to backup your php myadmin. So after that you need to click on export, and you just need to select the SQL and you just need to click on go. So I have already downloaded this file, so I just cancel it. Now go to your file manager, okay, and after that you can see there have a folder called php. If I click here you can see these are the WordPress files which basically powered this website. So what I need to do, I just select the folder and I will just need to download that. So I have already downloaded that file as well. So this is the folder, and I have been also extract this folder. So now let's see what you need to do for the migration. So first of all, see the process carefully. First of all, download all the files and the database file. Okay, now you just need to open your SQL file. So this is my SQL file. Okay, this is the dummy. So I will just copy the file into your any directory whatever you want. Let's say copy here, and let's say I just rename it. So first of all open your file, and here you first need to change all the domain names. So if I search for here, which is microcodes.in, you can see this is my actual domain name. Okay, so I need to replace this. So how to do this? So for that, first of all, the folder you have downloaded, which is here, so you need to first copy the folder into your htdocs or your any types of online repo here. Okay, first of all you need to copy the folder. Okay, so after copy the folder you can see these are the files here. So I will rename this file by, let's say I rename this file by site 10. Okay, so this is my folder name right here. So if I open this folder here, let's see what happened. So localhost slash site 10, if I hit here, it says okay, I have been forgot to start the XAMPP server. So if I refresh this, it says the database connection error. So let's resolve this. So first of all let's open the php myadmin. Okay, and I will create a database name as, let's say, site 10. You can put any name. Let's say I put the name as db6. Okay, so this is my database name db6. So just remember the name. So our database name is db6. Okay, so now this is the main part, which is you need to copy your local URL or the new URL of your website. And here as you can see, my domain address is php.microcodes.in, so I need to change that. So I will open my VS Code here and I will replace the new URL here, and I will also copy the old link here. So I will copy the old link, okay, and I will paste it here. So just follow the naming convention, okay. So what I need to do, I will just convert this URL into my local URL, okay, into my local URL, or you can see this example for your new website URL. So now just click on this replace all button, and it will replace all the things here, okay. Now our second step is complete. Third step is you need to generate a new MD5 hash for your WordPress main user. So you need to just go to this website. So I will provide the link in the video description, don't worry. So just go to this website. Now here you can generate the hash password. So let's say my hash password is shi123. I need to generate this. You can see it had generated a MD5 hash here. So just copy the hash, and now in your Visual Studio Code, just click on Control F and search for wp underscore user. Okay, so this is our wp underscore user, and here you will found that this is my admin user username, and this is the password which is in the hash format. So I need to change the hash password by the new hash password which I have been generated from this website, okay. So our third step is complete. Now our fourth step is import all the tables into your new database. So our database SQL file is now ready. So just close the file by save and close the file, okay. Now go to your database, and from here click on import and choose the file. So I have saved the file in the DDS, okay. Now you need to click on import, and you can see the import process is started. Okay, as you can see, our database has successfully imported. Now you need to tweak some settings here. So you need to, after importing all the tables, you need to change the site URL and the homepage URL in the WP options. So our site URL is now this. So just copy this thing and go to the WP options. So where is WP options? Just let us see. This is the WP options, and from here you need to change these two URLs, site URL and home URL. So click on site URL, and I will change into my local URL or new website URL, and I will also change the home URL. So I will change the home URL and I will click on go. Right, you can see two URL has been changed, okay. Now you need to do some another setting. Now I have been come to htdocs, and this is our site 10, okay. So I will need to open by the VS Code here, and here this is our fifth step where you need to change the wp config. So after opening this folder, you can find the wp config file here, and you can see there have four types of parameter. So you need to change that. So our db name is, our recent db name is db6. So I will copy the name, I will replace this. Our database user is root and password is none. This is for jamp user actually, okay. Our jamp server is already running here, okay, no problem. Now close the file. Now after doing all of this stuff, you just need to log in into your website. So I will close all the files, and if I type here, let's say localhost site 10, which was showing error previously, you will see our site is running. You can see all the things is running. If I click on any post, You can see this is running on our local host, not our domain actually. Okay, if I go here, you can see everything is working fine. We can found the image here, everything working fine, but you need to change some tweak also. So you need to log in into your new site wp admin. Okay, and remember one thing, which is we have changed the password. So you need to provide your old username, and our new password is shi123. Okay, which we have generated the hash, and if I click on login, it will show you a prompt. Okay, so just click on this email is correct, and you will log in into your dashboard. All welcome. So guys, you can see we have been logging into our dashboard. If I go on updates, you can see we will update our site also. You can see our update has been also come. If I go to the comments section, you can see we can also browse all the comments. Now you need to go to settings and you need to go to general. This is the last setting you need to do. You can see this is our site title, tagline, all the stuff is here, right? From here you need to go to permalinks, and I have been also mentioned that try to change the permalink into postname, because this is recommended for you can see SEO purpose. So just select by post name and click on save changes. So when you do all the settings here, your site is now completely ready. So if I open by our new web browser, so I open by Firefox, you can see our website is completely running on our local host. Okay, you can follow the same procedure when you migrating a WordPress website from an old domain to new domain. The process will be same to same. There have no any types of changes here. I think this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, just subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.